ever wondered how you can creatively repurpose your old garden items? Today, we're counting down the top 7 ways to breathe new life into your garden. We'll explore some ingenious DIY ideas that will utterly transform your green paradise. Ready to transform your garden with some ingenious DIY ideas? Here we go! Starting at number 7, we have the plant pot bird feeder. Breathe new life into an old plant pot by converting it into a charming bird feeder. Fill it with seeds and hang it from a tree. An easy and creative way to invite some feathered friends to your garden. At number 6, we have the ladder plant stand. Picture a forgotten ladder, now transformed into a multi-level haven for your foliage friends. It's a perfect canvas to showcase your plants, adding height and interest. A stylish solution for showing off your green thumb. Coming in at number 5, it's time to get artsy with garden tool art. Transforming old garden tools into wall art exudes a rustic charm. Who knew old tools could look so chic? For our 4th idea, we're getting eco-friendly with the pallet compost bin. Turn old pallets into a compost bin, reducing waste and enriching your garden. Rolling into the 3rd spot is the tire flower bed. Transform an old tire into an extraordinary flower bed, a colorful and creative addition to any garden. Stepping into number 2, we have the boot flower pot. Give life to an old boot by turning it into a quirky flower pot, a fun and funky way to show off your plants. And for our number 1 spot, make a splash with the wheelbarrow water feature. Breathe life into an old wheelbarrow by converting it into a stunning water feature, a guaranteed showstopper in any garden. And there you have it, our top 7 ways to creatively repurpose your old garden items. From bird feeders to water features, we've seen that with a bit of imagination, anything can bloom anew. Give them a try. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more creative gardening tips. Happy gardening!